Hi, this is the Galaxy M34 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open the control panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of the available, or just to change the positions of the icons, you should click here to this plus icon. And here you'll see this up section with invisible options. If you want to add some of them to your panel, you should just hold the icon and drag it to this down section. To remove some from the options from here, you should by the same way hold the icon and drag it to this up section. And to change the positions of the icons, we should just hold it and drag it by this way. To reset the changes, tap to reset, or to save the changes, click to done. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.